I am in Kingston, Canada. This is the blizzard capital of the world. Blizzards form in the north, such as Canada and Russia. They most commonly form in the winter. Before I tell you all about blizzards, I need to tell you what they are. Blizzards are just an intense snowstorm. But how do they form? Blizzards form most north side of an intense storm. What do blizzards need to be developed? They need snow, clouds, warm air from equator, and cold air from the Arctic. They also need wind. Ad break, do.
One man, two monsters. One big, one monster. Who will win?
Now let's get back to the weather report. Now, what can blizzards bring with themselves? As you can see here, blizzards can bring winds up to 120 miles an hour. They can also bring freezing temperatures and heavy snowfall. Now, blizzards break trees and they cause property damage. So let's see from some people that have encountered blizzards what have they done with their lives. Good morning. Who are you and how have you been affected by blizzards?
Well, hello. I am Benjamin Jacob, but my friends call me BJ. You know, blizzards have busted my water pipes and completely totaled my 2014 Toyota Corolla Model LE color gray. You know, my backyard playset was completely demolished from the falling trees. I am a man of mathematics, so I calculated the total cost of all the damages. It looks like it comes to $4,879, but luckily I have insurance to cover it all.
Anything else you want to say to the world?
No.
Miss Shadow, how was your day going?
Good.
Can you tell us about your experience of when you were in a blizzard?
Sure. So I was like slaying. Then the next thing I knew, it was freezing cold and the winds were like 100 miles a minute.
You mean 100 miles an hour?
I guess. But anyway, I run inside and I found a lot of snow in my house. It was giving Frozen 2 vibes.
What were the damages to your property?
Well, the wind made a big tree fall in my yard and my car was frozen solid.
Was your car okay?
Was it okay? No, it wasn't okay. The pipes were bursted and the engine was froze permanently. The damages cost $6,736.98, but my insurance covered it fully.
Thank you for your time. Is there anything else you want to say to the world?
Have a good one.
Now here's some sad news about blizzards. Blizzards kill around 400 people on average in America each year. Now, I'm going to tell you how to survive in a blizzard. But take a look at a skit of what not to do in a blizzard first. Oh no, a blizzard! Go! That was what not to do. Now here's what to do in case of a blizzard. Oh, a blizzard. First, I gotta barricade the windows. Quick. Window barricaded. Second, warm air. And turn on the thermostat to warm air so the cold air can't get in. And stock up on food. As you can see that video, the guy stayed calm. He isolated the windows and he went to high ground so the warm air could get there and he could turn on the thermostat. So the other things that you need to know for it is to charge batteries and keep some food and water at all times just in case blizzards happen. And keep a radio so you can hear what is going on.
Fun facts with Caleb. Boom.
Here's some fun facts about blizzards. Ground blizzards can go up to 60 miles an hour. That's pretty fast. I can do this. And the biggest blizzard is the Big Blizzard of 1888, which killed